Hello student. Now we will start our unit 4 entropy. In this unit we have to study the different topics like introduction, calculus theorem, TS plot, Clausius inequality, entropy and irreversibility, entropy principle and its application, combined first law and second law, entropy and direction, entropy and disorder. Now we will start our first topic, that is introduction. In the first course of thermodynamics, we have dealt with first law of thermodynamics, both qualitative and quantitative. Initially, we state the first law of thermodynamics as applied to the system undergoing cyclic process, and later on, when extended to the process, we deduce the definition of internal energy as a property of system. It enables us to analyze the system process quantitatively. Similarly, we have stated the second law of thermodynamics in the terms of cycle. When it is applied to the system process, it leads us to the definition of an equally important property called as entropy. Though the entropy is an abstract concept, but the concept of entropy simplifies the solution of a problem in thermodynamics. Now, our first topic is two reversible adiabatic paths cannot intersect each other. Assume two reversible adiabatic processes PS and RS intersect each other as shown in figure. Now see the PV diagram. In this PV diagram, process RP is a reversible isothermal process, and process PS and process RS is reversible adiabatic process. Consider another isothermal process Rp which intersect the two reversible adiabatic at a point R and P. Isothermal process Rp and two reversible adiabatic PS and Sr constitute a cycle PSR. Now work done during the cycle equal to area PSR. Heat supplied during the cycle equal to summation of Q equal to Q Rp plus Q PS plus Q SR, means summation of total Q. But Q PS equal to Q SR equal to 0 because it is adiabatic process. Therefore, summation Q equal to Q Rp. It follows from the above during the cycle, the system reverse receives the heat from a single heat reservoir during the isothermal process Rp and produce an equal amount of work. It violates the Kelvin's plan statement of second law of thermodynamics. Hence, the basic assumption that two reversible adiabatic intersect at a point is wrong. Therefore, we conclude that two reversible adiabatic paths cannot intersect each other. That is a point we can only pass one reversible adiabatic process.